how do you know when it's time to refill your ATM machine? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck, and I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011, where I've been teaching people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable and successful ATM business. So, how do you know when it's time to refill your ATM machine? Well, I hope you know that it's not by actually physically going to them, right? You don't actually have to drive to all of your ATMs to check them to see how much cash is in them to see if you need to refill them. Okay, that you don't need to do that. That would suck. Basically, it's going to depend on which processor you have. Determines how you're going to know. So some processors will have an app that you can use on your phone. All of them will have a website that you can go to. All right, those are the two main ways that you can easily check at any time. All right, what I generally do is every morning when I wake up, I actually use the website because honestly, I'm getting older and this stuff is small, no cell phones. So I just hop on my laptop. It literally takes less than 2 minutes to check, your ATM machines, right? To, see, okay, everybody's cool. Also, another thing is, that's just a habit for me now. It's just a habit, right? I'll check them and then I'll just update. I have a little notepad that I keep all track of everything, right? And it's just habit because I really do know, for the most part, this is 99% accurate because sometimes things happen where shit happens and everything gets switched up. But I know generally how much, how long an ATM will last with X amount of dollars on them, like all the ATMs we have. I know that, right? Sometimes there might be a special event or a special occasion or whatever that it throws that off, but for the most part, it's pretty accurate. But still, I still check them every day just in case. Okay, and you'll learn that too. You'll learn, okay, this machine goes through $2,000 a week, or this machine goes through $4,000 a week, or you'll know that, right? And if it's Tuesday, you might still want to check your machine, but you know that it probably doesn't need to be filled for a few more days, right? So I recommend just getting the habit of checking them every day. It doesn't take much time, right? Another thing you can do is you can set up alerts. So I have an alert set up that comes to my email. Basically, it's set for $500. So anytime any of my machines get to $500 or below, boom, I get an email saying, hey, XY machine has $500 in it, or hey, XY machine has $300 in it, right? Whatever it might be. And then that way I know, okay, hey, I need to keep this on the radar, or I need to go change it. I need to go fill it now. So hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, please feel free to post them below. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to click right over there and subscribe to this channel to learn more about the ATM business. And if you would like to learn even more about the ATM business, feel free to go to atmbusinessblueprint.com. And there you can grab my free ATM roadmap. And that'll show you how I went from zero to generating $3,000 to $5,000 plus per month just by placing ATMs in local businesses. All right, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day, and may you live happily off of passive income.